am Carrie Salee with Gel Press, and here we are at our new product showcase. We have 3 great new products, well technically 4. So our first one is our Faith Impressions line. It's specifically made for faith journaling, faith crafting, faith art journaling, whatever your kind of thing is. So this is the way the kit comes. It comes with 3 small shapes. What's great about these shapes is they're specifically made to fit within those smaller margins of journaling Bibles. And also in the kit you get 2 margin plates, one that has straights, and then the other you kind of get a twofer. It's scalloped on one edge, rickrack on the other, and it also comes with a 7-day jumpstart devotional that has blank pages inside, so that if you're not quite ready to do the whole jumping into Bible journaling in a Bible, then you have the option to work that out and play in the book instead of in your actual journal. What we also have is in our impressibles, we used to make them in 7x7, which we still make, but we also have these great ones that are 12x12. So for your bigger projects like your scrapbooking backgrounds, your repeating patterns on fabric, any of that kind of stuff, we have 3 new patterns that are coming out for that. It'll be super, super fun. We are booth 1924, so come visit us. We'll have 3 demonstrators going 24/7 or however long, whatever the hours are, and then we also have free in-booth workshops, so come and you can play and get gel pressed.
Well, hey guys, it's Catherine Pooler. Tomorrow we are revealing at our booth our next 8 ink colors. We have 31 right now, and so tomorrow we'll be revealing the next 8, which will make 39. Our inks are a foam pad, which transfers the ink beautifully to a photopolymer stamp, so you get a solid image when you're stamping. No splotchy.
How are you? Thank you for coming and visiting here in Creativation. So let me show you our new animated stands that we have here for spring. Look at the cute bunny jumping up and down. So also we have this one. That you can see the gears and the clock moving. We love that one, it's super fun. And this year we have, I don't know if you can see through the glass, but we have 4 different die cuts to help you put the mechanism together for like a slider. For example, we have this one with the 2 pickable windows, and it also comes with a stamp that coordinates. So you can do it like that, and then when you open, you have the surprise that moves like that. So much fun. Okay. Yes, well, thank you for stopping by, and we see you tomorrow again.
Hi, I'm Beth Golden. I'm with the company Renia Foil Paper, and what we have for you is a foil paper that has paper on the inside, and it is fused with foil on both sides. What that is it allows you to have a beautiful foiled effect on your projects while also keeping it durable, so it can go through things like the cuddle bug and not fall apart when it's being embossed. We also are featuring our ghost ink, which creates ghost-like images in which it lifts the color and leaves the beautiful underlay, which is silver, and that's demonstrated down here. There's a couple different ways you can use ghost ink. You can use them with the embossing folders. You can use them by crumpling up the paper and then by running it lightly over and removing it with a little bit of alcohol. And then you can also use it with some stamping. It doesn't smear when it's done because you're removing the pigments. So I hope you guys come out and visit us. We're in booth 629 tomorrow, and we're going to have a great station where you can play with whatever you'd like, and you can get off your feet.
Hi, I'm Allie Baumgartner with Fiskars, and we're here to launch at CHA some new paper crafting tools. So for paper crafting, we have a new Leah Griffith launch. So this is a new partnership that we have. So we've partnered with her to create a line of 54 new tools that allow you to create various different paper flowers, different types of templates that allow you to create banners for paper crafting, and also some fun gifting tags and party hosting decor. And then we also have our new shape cutting system here. So the new shape cutting system allows you to create very basic shapes without having to get out a large die cutting machine really easily, really quickly, and then also includes a freehand cutting tool as well that comes within the starter set, which you see here.
My name is Chris Van Astelin. I'm the marketing manager at Deflecto. This is a new product that we've got this year at the show. Brand new. This literally just came from our factory 2 days before Creativation.
We do.
This is a marker
it's
accordion.
Prototype form right now. But
holds up to 80 markers. Nice thing is it's a compact storage when you're not using it.
So
you can store it with the markers vertically or horizontally if you lay it on its side. When the lid comes off, it expands.
The last 4 years,
so there's 4 sections. Again, each one holds 20 markers.
Innovation lab.
You can expand it completely straight out
what do you
so that you can keep it at the top of your workspace. Still got plenty of room to do your project. Again, it folds up really nicely. These are great to take to classes, great to take for props, great to use in a shared project. We have multiple people all trying to get to the markers. Makes it really easy to just exactly see what you need, so you're not digging through a box or a tub or something trying to get to it. So we had this as a prototype last year. Wasn't quite ready for prime time. Got a ton of feedback here at the show. Did some work and redesign on the hinges. We feel it's a much more robust, really ready for primetime product. So if you like this, we've got 5 new products that we're launching at the show this year. We've also got 5 new prototypes, which you'll get a chance to take a look at, get hands-on with. So hopefully if we get good feedback on those, we can refine those and have them new for next year.
Hi there. So we're excited. This year we're introducing our first line of Jelly Arts paints. So the #1 question we've been getting for 7 years is, what paint should I use with my Jelly Arts printing plate? And all these years we've been sending them to all these different paint companies. And then this year we said, let's create our own paint, one we love. So now we have 2 new sets of paints. They're medium bodied, so they roll on the jelly plate beautifully. They are, they stay open a little bit longer. Perfect. So not too long, but long enough that it gives you a little more time to create your designs. They're water-based, so they're acrylic. You can mix them together, so you could have endless paint colors. And we love them. So we're introducing them here this year. We'll see what happens.
Hi, this is Dawn with ThermoWeb. We are really excited to introduce a brand new product set with Gina K Designs. It's our new Stampin' Foil, and for the first time you're able to combine stamping and foiling. The program is built on 3 pieces. We have pre-printed Foil Mates design sheets, and they're black and white. You can see it at the top of the case. And then we have clear stamp sets that you can stamp over the printed design, and then you can foil the pieces by running those through a laminator with the Gina K Fancy foils. We have 3 new sets in this line. It's flowers, birthday, and butterflies. And then these gorgeous brand new glitter foils that are exclusive to Gina K.
Hi, I'm Lauren with ThermoWeb, and we came out with our new product, which is our Clear Designer Toner Sheets by Decofoil. They come in 9 different designs, as well as we came out with new colors. These are 2 of our 6 new colors. These are our Shattered Glass collection. And then you can see throughout the projects on the Clear Designer Toner Sheets, we have our Denim, our Jade, our Plum, and then you guys can come check out the rest of our new colors, as well as our other new products for Decofoil at ThermoWeb. Booth 3001. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Scrap Time videos on YouTube so you won't miss one video from Creativation, and follow us on Instagram at Scrap Time Photos to see photos straight from the show floor.